You guys, so where we are chilling, this is the view from the balcony. We're actually at a hotel that's overlooking the entire promenade, and that is what it's looking like right now. Isn't that beautiful? Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, it is Friday. Yes baby. You want to get up? You wanted to go in? It is Friday, you guys, and I am representing my country this morning by wearing my Bob Marley shirt on the road, and of course my map necklace. Yes baby. Here, and of course my mop necklace. Why? Because today is the start of World Championship and my bestie boo and so many friends of mine are in London competing today. So good luck Elaine, no matter what the outcome. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Good luck Omar, Latoya Gould, Anisha McLaughlin, and every single one of our Jamaican athletes. Rhonda, good luck girl. Restanana, good luck. Every single one of you guys, good luck. On that note, it's actually make it even more special day because I am heading out right now to go and meet up with a Jamaican that I met. You guys, yes, I met a Jamaican on the bus home a few days ago, who actually, she had thought that my husband was Jamaican. You hear that? Yeah, she thought my husband was Jamaican. So that's how I found out she was Jamaican, by the way babe was talking. She said, you sound like Jamaican. I'm like, what did she just say? She said my husband sounds like Jamaican. So I'm heading out right now to go and meet up with her, have a chit chat, spend a few hours with somebody who is Jamaican, which is super exciting. So yeah, you guys, I'm not sure if she'll be on camera and stuff like that. Seeing that it's our first meeting, I doubt it. But anyway, let's go. Hey guys, so I am here with my newfound love and my friend Auntie JJ. So I'm gonna show you guys who Auntie J is, because she's not camera shy, okay? She's hot and sexy and bubbly just like moi. And it's Tyler newfound love. So say hi.
Yes, hi. Say hello, Tyler.
Tyler, say hi.
Say hello.
Say hi.
Oh, what a minute.
Tyler, blow them kisses.
W. Wait
Tyler?
a minute. We're doing lessons.
Oh yeah. Listen, you guys. Tyler take over Auntie Jen, and he's just been all over her with his book non-stop. So there you guys finally see that I met a Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
All right, you guys, we've been here just having a drink and chilling and having a good afternoon. You guys, so where we are chilling, this is the view from the balcony. We're actually at a hotel that's overlooking the entire promenade, and that is what it's looking like right now. Isn't that beautiful? Amazing. So this is where we are chilling right now. Look at that, man. You guys, look at that. You can see the plane easily lifting off. Oh yeah. You want to go up? Come.
Be careful though, please, because he's jumping.
Yeah.
Don't let him go.
Look. Wow. Tyler is excited for the plane. You see the plane? Wow. You see the plane, baby? Wow. 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 You guys, Tyler and I leave Jen and we're in town, and of course I took him to the park and he's having so much fun in his swing right now. I'm happy the park is not so full, so he just jumped right into the swing and he's just having a good time. Look at him. You guys, Helen and I are in town, in the center of town to be exact, having an ice cold frappe. We're having chocolate and vanilla from Go Green, and it's well needed because it's so darn hot out today. So hot out today, so we're just chilling. Say hi. So we just went to see Babe and just chilling now in town, having something to drink. I don't know what we're gonna do after. I might just head home, but yeah, we're just chilling on a hot Friday afternoon. So you guys, though we've been home, okay, and I am making authentic Jamaican saltfish fritters because yes, that's what I feel for on this day like today. But I have something to tell you guys. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to go ahead and follow me on Instagram because you get live updates of everything on Instagram. Nothing miss you on my Instagram story, okay? So with that said, I came home and I fell for saltfish fritters, but I realized that I didn't have enough flour. So I called Babe on his way home and I said, Babe, on your way home, can you pick me up some flour, please? He said, okay, Babe. Let me show you what Babe bring me. That is what Babe bring me home. Flowers, not flour. It was so hilarious. We couldn't stop laughing. I wish the camera was rolling so you guys could get our exact reaction of Babe bringing me home flowers for flour. I've never seen anything like this in this life. But it was hilarious and I had to laugh. However, he went out and redeemed himself and got the right thing. So, boom! Fritters is on, fritters is on, fritters is on. Yes. And T-Bear is off to bed and this one is the one that he bring me home 2 days ago. So I'm making saltfish fritters.
What's up, what's up, what's up? My wife pretty, no?
Oh, thank you, babe. Look at him and my hair, Lord. You finished? Hey, faves. So I finished laughing at Babe for bringing me flowers for flour, and the fritters were really yummy, no?
It was good.
And they weren't too pepper this time, right?
No, no.
You guys, so also the female is not running the 100 today. It's tomorrow.
No, they never do it the same day.
Yeah. I'm just thinking. So we're here watching the World Games that's going on in London, but Baby's getting tired and so am I. So we're just coming on to end the vlog and give you guys a Jamaican expression and the French word for today. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it tonight. So the Jamaican expression for today is little more. If you hear a Jamaican say to you, yo Mel, little more, they're simply telling you bye, they'll see you later. Say it.
Little more.
Little more.
Little more.
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 Not more. More.
Little more.
Hilarious. Alright, so there you have Babe's take on the Jamaican expression. Little more. Little more.
Little more.
Oh Lord. Alright, Babe. What's the French word? No, he's turned to laugh at me.
You ready? Erreur fleur.
think I know what that means.
Erreur, fleur. Okay, so you have 4 air.
Tell them what it means first.
Oh, error means error, and fleur is flower. Well, you know why. So, don't have to describe why.
Tell them.
So, because today I make a mistake between flower and flower. Well, for me, a flower is a flower, same thing, but for her it's different thing. So, I bring her flower, but she says it's not the good flower that you bring me, and it's the other flower that I wanted. And she was mad at me, so I just saying that erreur fleur. So I'm just saying to her erreur fleur as a flower mistake. I say it.
Hilarious, somebody's calling my phone. So, what is it? What is it called?
Erreur fleur.
Error.
Erreur.
Error.
Erreur.
Error.
Fleur.
Fleur.
Erreur fleur.
Error fleur.
Erreur.
Baby, you know me and the...
Yeah, you're just joking at me because I'm making more and then you can't.
Error fleur.
Erreur, not avoid the 2 R. You avoid it. You have to say it. Erreur.
I feel like I'm
that.
going to...
Coming out of your mouth. You can't do.
No, I can't do that.
You can't.
I can't do it.
Woo! That was funny. That was funny. Alright guys, I hope you can do the because she's not good at it.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. I've never seen anything like this in life.
If you like and if you can do the you give a thumbs up. If you can't do the
Still give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, turn on the notification bell, comment down below, chit chat with us because I love talking with you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Subscribe, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.